Math 7-6. A quick concept today we're going to be talking about is sequences and scales. We'll start with sequences. So when you have a set of numbers and you're trying to figure what the sequence is or what number comes next, you kind of have to just figure out what is going on. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are going up by nines. If you notice, from 18 to 27 is 9. This is 9. This is 9. So we want to just add 9 to that 45, or you can think of it as 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5. 9 times 6 is 54. And then 9 times 7 is 63, and you can use your multiplication chart for this. And 9 times 8 is 72. Now if you look down here, we've got 1, 2, 4, 8. So from here we went up 1, here we went up 2, here we went up 4. So what's happening? So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So it looks like we're multiplying. So this is 1 times 2. This is 2 times 2. 3 times 2. No, that's not it. It's 4 times 2. Yeah, it looks like it's timesing by 2. So 1 times 2 gets us here. 2 times 2 gets us here. 4 times 2 gets us here. 8 times 2 would get us here. 16 times 2 would get us here. And then 32 times 2 would get us here. So it looks like we just keep doubling the number. So timesing it by 2, doubling the number. So sometimes you have to sit back and look at them. They can be a little bit weird. Okay, so if we're talking about scales, when you're talking about temperature, what you guys are used to is Fahrenheit. So when we're talking about a temperature scale, it can be with Fahrenheit or it can be with Celsius. We just need to be able to read them according to whatever it's asking us. So if we look at, I'm looking at example 3 in your book, if you want to follow along with it. And so we have like a temperature grade, so that's 0, 10, and 20. Sorry about my terrible drawing here. And looks like, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you kind of have to figure out what the scale is going up by. So if we start at 0 and we get to 10, we know it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So your first job is to figure out the scale. Once we do that, we can figure out what it's shaded up to. So here I can say, well, this is in Fahrenheit. So I can say this is reading 4 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's try one that has both of them on it. This is practice number or letter D. And so we have 40, 50, 60, sorry about my placement here, 70, 80, 90. And then we have 10, right there's 20, and here's 30. So if you look on the Fahrenheit side, this is the Fahrenheit side, this is the Celsius side. If you look in between, we can see that they go up by 2. So 42, 44, 46, 48, 52, 54, 56, 58, 62, 64, 66, 68, 72, 74, 76, 78, 82, 84, 86, 88. On the 10 side, it looks like they go up by 5. So 10, 12, 14, no, they do the same thing. They're spread out more. 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28. So they've got it filled in to the tick mark past the 70. So we would say that this is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, or 20, is it 22? Yeah, 22 degrees Celsius. And that's it.